Medium voltage cables are the backbone for critical power. From where it's created to where we use it, across every part of our modern lives. Delivering uninterrupted power has never been so important. Selecting the right MV cable can be complex. Our cable experts balance performance, installation designs, and environmental conditions, and navigate geospecific and industry regulations to find efficiencies without compromising on quality. Our commitment of excellence is end-to-end. Cables you can rely on, delivered on time, globally. Our MV cables are designed and tested to last. They'll help us all power a more sustainable future.